In this video, I will show you the benefit of using airplane mode on your mobile phone. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe. As you know, each of us has an airplane mode function and we rarely use it. It's a missed opportunity because this function can save much more battery life on your phone and block calls and fix internet connection issue. So let's dive into this method. The first situation is when your phone battery is low and there is no charge nearby. You need your phone to last as long as possible until you can recharge it at home or by turning on the airplane mode. All wireless modules like mobile network, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and NFC are turned off, and this will stop phone from searching for signals and transmitting data. And because of this phone will work much more longer on the remaining percentage of battery. And also, when we need to charge the phone faster, we need to turn on the airplane mode. We can connect the charging cable, then turn on the airplane mode, due to which the phone stop wasting charge on searching for networks and thus charge much faster up to 100%. Aeroplane mode is also useful if you want to focus on your work or studying to get a good night's sleep. It's turn off all the notification by itself. Another interesting fact is you most likely did not know if you turn on the airplane mode on your mobile phone. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and all mobile network will be turned off. But if you later need to Wi-Fi, for example, if you want to turn it on back, then simply click on it and it will be active. The last situation in which it is worth using airplane mode is when you have internet issue. If this feature is off, then simply turn it on. Then it will make the internet speed much better with the Wi-Fi or with your mobile data. Turning on airplane mode, reset your mobile phone wireless module. Simply turn it on for 20 to 30 seconds and most of internet problems will be solved. As we know, airplane mode can be useful. Not only the plane but also very useful in every day. That's all which I wanted to share.